The first one is, would you call yourself a true Bangalore boy?
Absolutely. Born here, bred here, and also it's going to be my LRP. You know what LRP is? Last resting place.
Okay. So, sir, is that by the passion for the masala dosa counts?
Yeah. Masala dosa is my favorite. Actually, South Indian food is my favorite food. In South Indian, masala dosa is there, idli, vada. These are the three things that I crave for. I used to do golf.
Yeah.
And then bird photography. Now we got a group that does Sunday morning breakfast.
Okay.
Sunday morning breakfast, and we go and choose the most difficult restaurants where you need to stand outside for hour or two, like Vidyarthi Bhavan. So now, if you don't want to stand outside, then you become friends with the owner. Then you get a bypass. And you get the dosa in his office. CTR. Then there is another. So all these places I do, and Rameshwar. And I make sure that I get their numbers, connect with them, so that whenever we go there, we're not waiting at all.
So, is this a strategy you learned from business, or was it the other way around?
No, it's because of the fact that I don't like to. I'm happy to pay for the food, but I'm not happy to wait for the food. That's all it is. And then we go in a group of 4 or 6 every Sunday. We decide where to go, and then I discovered many places. So you said I have a surprise for you. You got a dosa,
Yeah.
and you said where it is from. And I told you where it was from. Thereby looking and not even just by the packing, I could tell.
So we could call you almost, a food connoisseur of South Indian food now.
Yes, and I should actually start, maybe tie up with you guys and start a food blog
So 100%.
on where to get the best South Indian food in Bangalore. And I can tell you every place. I think I've done more than 600 or 800 restaurants.
Wow.
But we never went to the same place twice. Always try to find a new one.
So can we start off with a small section of that now? What would your top 5 dosa places be?
Okay.
Like a tier list.
Yeah, I'll tell you. See, Janardhan.
Yeah.
Then you have CTR, which is in Malleshwaram. Vidyarthi Bhavan. Then you have, I would rate Rameshwaram a little lower.
Okay.
I think a lot of people feel that.
Yeah.
No, it's not that. It is, their food is too good actually. It's very nice. It's just that, there's a differentiation. Even Chalukya is one of the things that is nice because, they use the red masala inside.
Yeah.
So it's
You not
the old Chalukya.
the same thing. This is the old Chalukya only. This is the old
The
Chalukya.
one-
Correct, we miss it. Then you got your airlines.
Yes.
Yeah.
You got your airlines. These are probably the ones that would, because airlines was a place I would go there maybe once a week. But now because of these choices that are there,
Yes.
there is a chicken at tiffin room.
Yeah. Chicken was very.
Where?
We love that. That's Kumara Park, right?
No, Kumara Park is the one, like before that. No, both. Umesh is also there, Kumara Park is there. But there is a chicken that's open is there in Nagarat Pet.
Okay.
There's one Sanman also there.
Okay.
Correct. Sanman is also very nice. That is at Sheshatripuram.
So have you had Naveen dosa?
Yes.
It's in Commercial Street, right? So you're famous for it. So yeah, so they give you dosa on like this plaque,
Okay.
like a wooden plaque. They'll give you the softest dosa for sure.
So what is your opinion on cheese on dosa, gold on
No, that's not for me.
So 99, I think.
No, those are not. That's okay. They're for people that come from out of town. One of the things also I do is, when you have guests that come from anywhere out of Bangalore,
Yes.
it could be from anywhere in India or anywhere from overseas. One lunch is for sure in Nagarjuna on the banana leaf. They get fascinated, and it is nice to take them for this.
Sir, Nagarjuna or Meghna's?
Nagarjuna.
The meals.
Yeah. Because Nagarjuna, of course, Meghna also has, but Nagarjuna has the atmosphere, the thing. Plus, the advantage with Nagarjuna is that along with your yelle uta, you have the non-veg as well because the Madus don't have.
So then I have my paril biri.
So which is your favorite non-veg tip?
Actually, I eat everything. Chinese cuisine is also very nice. And one of the things that I would recommend to all is to try the Thai omelette in Indiranagar, in the Thai restaurant.
Restaurant?
Thai house.
Thai house.
In Indiranagar, the Thai omelette. They deep fry their egg, that becomes very crunchy.
Yes, sir.
And they add the crab in that.
Okay. What's the most exotic food you've eaten?
Oh, I've eaten everything, especially when you traveled to Africa. You went to Carnivore and tried all the game meat as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think now moving on to another fatty hill of yours, the most important and most renowned one, currency notes. So how did that start?
Oh, that started, I think, when I was in Standard 7, St. Joseph's.
Okay.
And it was something that purely by accident, because, you didn't make a choice to collect it.
Yeah.
Something that got you attracted to it. There's a situation where the note it was the Reserve Bank of India note, and it had Pakistan note payment refused. And we couldn't figure out how it can be a Pakistan note when it's Reserve Bank of India. Where is Pakistan and where is Reserve Bank of India? The connection was not there. No one was able to answer it because the time there was no Mr. Google was missing. No AI, no one to answer. There was nothing in books. I tried finding out. And finally, I think it came to know that was when we became independent. They were also using the same British